YouTube. So I forgot to grab my camera, and I pushed this bug all up onto my concrete and put the motor in and all that. So I gotta reroute this. It's way too long. It was for a different style. They had a 2-barrel single carb setup on here. This is a different motor, so I got to get the original style throttle cable. I got to hook up the gas line, check the brakes, and then I should be able to fire this sucker up. It's just a 1600 dual port. Crushed this when I was putting it in. It's a tight fit, and these bugs with the putting everything in there, so I gotta replace the belt too. It's kind of, or tighten it up, it's really loose, but yeah, getting there. This is the fuel line that came off of it. It's kind of a weird shape. This is the one that I got. It's quite a bit different. I might have to bend this new one. This one's all clogged up, so I have to replace it. I'll just use it on another one once I get it all cleaned out. Not too sure which way it goes. It goes in this way with this side coming out, or the other way. So I'm gonna try both and see which one I like better. So I got it all, a hard line up to here, coming around and down into the hole. And I put an extra filter here because this tank has been sitting a while, so I want to catch whatever I can before it gets to the fuel pump. And underneath, I got it right there, coming through right there, comes down right there, and this line comes up out of the frame from the gas tank. Yeah, I got pretty close. I had to bend that new piece quite a bit to get it to work, so I guess it's just a generic, maybe it's supposed to be for an older one or something. But and I got all these wires. I'm not exactly sure what that one's for. I don't know if you can see that. These two dangling. So I gotta get the throttle cable. I don't know if you can see that. It's red. But yeah. We'll take a quick break right now. And it's lunchtime, so I'll be back. Well, I'm about to figure out some wiring, I guess, because this is kind of messed up. So he has these three this is a little short, and it's a different connector. This is a push-on circle. But it's coming from this side. Usually they come from over here and feed all this way. And then he's got all this, some black and white, another white one, blue, yellow and white. And then he's got these two zip tied. That came off of something, I don't know. Maybe it came off of this. So I gotta figure out where all these come from. So, and then there's this red that comes up through here. And then it goes down back into here. And there's a bunch more other shit going on, so. Well, I'm gonna turn this off for a while until I get it figured out, and then I'll come back and I'll let you know what happened.